Hello everyone, we have a question on equivalent fraction. Okay, so the question says find the number represented by each letter. So when you look at question 1, what number represents y? Okay, what number represents x, and what number represents a? Okay, so these are the unknown numbers. So this is an example of an equivalent fraction question. Okay, when you look at this side, you have 9 over 6 equals y over 72. So how do we make these two sides of the fraction equal? Okay, and how do you figure out y? Solution. So when we have 9 over 6 equals y over 72. Okay, so one of the ways we can use in multiplying, in solving this, is to cross multiply. So when I say 6 times y, okay, equals 9 times 72. Okay, so this 6y equals, I can simplify my answer in the simplest way by dividing both sides by 6. Okay, so I have 6 here, 1. 6 and 7 is 1. Okay, so 6 times 12 is 72. So when I say 9 times 12, I have it to be 108. Okay, that's for 1. For number 2, I have this to be 2 over 5 equals x over 30. So when you cross multiply, you have this as 5x. Okay, this to be 2 times 30. So for 5x equals 30 times 2 is 60. So when you simplify this with 5, I have x to be 12. So that means when I put 12 here, 12 over 30, and I simplify 12 over 30, I will have 2 over 5. So let us try that. So for x over 30, okay, since x is 12, so I can say 12 over 30. So when I simplify this with 6, 6 in 12 is 2. 6 here is 5. So if you can see, this is 2 over 5. So that means this part of the fraction is equal to the side of this part of the fraction. That is equivalent fraction, they are equal. So that is for that. For number 3, I have this to be 4 over 5 equals a over 40. Okay, so I can cross multiply as well. So I say 5 times a. Okay, and here I'll say 4 times 40. Okay, so for 5 times a, I have it to be 5a equals this, I have to be 160. Okay, so from here now I can easily find a by simplifying both sides by 5. So I have a equals, here I have here 3. Okay, I have here to be, I have here 32. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. So in 10 is 2, and that means the value of a is 32. So by the time I put 32 over 40, 32 over 40, if I simplify it, I will have 4 over 5. So for 32 over 40, when I simplify this with 8, 8 times 5, 8 times 4 is 32, 8 times 5 is 40, this is 4 over 5. So that means the two sides of the fraction is equal. So this is the idea behind equivalent fraction. Thank you very much.